see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good morning, guys. Yung vlog ko kahapon, hindi ko na alam kung saan nag-stop. Kasi hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Kasi nalasing na ako. Ang nag-vlog na is si Sophie. Tsaka yung mag-girlfriend. Kasi hindi naman sila lasing. So, binag nila kami yung mga ados. Kasi yung mga ados guys nalasing talaga. Ako, nagsuka na ako doon pa lang sa beer cycle. Yung first stop namin, nagsuka na ako. Kasi, syempre umiikot yung yung car, yung cycle, habang umiinom tayo. Tapos yung ininom ko pa, hindi mo siya mahalatang may alcohol. Kasi parang lang siyang juice. Yung parang cruiser. So yata ako dito. Nakapigaw. Tapos, after noon, pumunta na kami sa ice bar. So yun yung last namin sa ice bar. Akala ko ice bar muna kami, tapos beer cycle. Pero hindi pala. Beer cycle, then after beer cycle, ice bar. Doon, ewan ko ano nangyari. Kasi yung babae din doon, kasi kinuha ko yung phone, hindi ko na talaga siya mahawak kasi malamig doon, tapos naka-gloves ka pa. Yung bartender, tsaka may mga assistant sila na yung nag-ano sa amin, nag-picture, tapos si Sophie, tapos yung dalawa mag-grab, sila na nag-vlog sa amin. Pero grabe, sobrang saya, pero sobrang sakit ng ulo ko ngayong umaga. Hindi ko nga alam kung paano ako nakauwi. Alam ko naglakad kami kasi si Kylie sobrang mas lasing sa akin si Kylie. Tapos inaalalayan siya ni Sophie. Ako naman, nag-aalalay sa akin si Nirel, yung asawa ni Dino. Kasi siya okay lang naman siya. Lasing siya pero kaya niya. Ako kasi na ako, wala na akong balance. So tapos naglakad pa kami. Ayaw kasi ni Kylie mag-taxi kasi baka raw sumuka siya. Kasi hindi pa siya nakakasuka eh. So ako, nakasuka na ako. So okay na ako. Mas better na yung feeling. Kasi naisuka ko na siya. Si Kylie sabi, hindi tayo mag-taxi kasi baka sumuka ako sa taxi. Ay, naku, ang saya talaga. Tapos ngayon nagte-text. Iniwan na namin si Brody. Si Brody. Tapos yung mag-girlfriend. Tapos yung mama ng girlfriend. Iniwan na namin sila. Kami, ako, si Nirel, si Sophie, si Kylie. Umuwi na kami. Nauna na kami. Kasi hindi na talaga tayo. Si Kylie kasi sobrang mas lasing siya sa akin. Pero ang saya talaga. Kasi ngayon, nagte-text na kami kung ano nangyari. Tapos si Brody nagtatanong kung ano daw nangyari sa pinky niya. Hindi ko rin alam. Kasi nauna kami umuwi. May school visit pa naman siya ngayon. Anyway, yung mga ama ko, naka-breakfast na sila. Nauna sila mag-breakfast. Kasi ako, sabi ko, huwag niyo akong gisingin. Mag-breakfast ako pag ready na ako. Ano guys, 9:33 na. So sila, nag-breakfast na, tapos pumunta na sila sa beachfront. Ang dry ng throat ko, nakadalawa na ako dito, bago ko pa kayo kinausap. Kung alala niyo, wala akong kinain except breakfast, diba? Dahil dapat pupunta ako na McDonald's, pero hindi ko na tinuloy. Nag-malling na lang ako, tapos wala akong makitang makain doon. So bumalik ako dito sa Valley Garden para mag-order sana ng food doon sa my pool area. Pero hindi na natuloy dahil nung chinek ko yung group chat namin, mas maaga yung meetup namin doon sa beachfront kay Sam. So dali na lang mag-change. Tapos yun, wala talang kain. Tapos kagabi, nagpa-order ako kay Jen ng soup kasi parang gusto ko may laman yung chan ko ba kasi parang basta iba yung feeling ko kagabi. Sinorderan ako ni Jan ng tom yum soup. Tapos umalis yung mga bata siya kasi Jan, pumunta pa sila ng arcade. So nag-arcade sila, ako natulog na ako after ni Jan na ma-order ako ng tom yum soup. So yun yung nangyari. Ang saya, pero ang saya-saya kagabi. Ang saya ng experience na yun. Yung iba nasa bed pa, yung nag-detect, nasa bed pa raw sila. Wala raw balance parang lasing pa yung ibang girls. Si Kylie masakit-sakit daw ng ulo. Si Brody yung nagtatanong na siya kung ano daw nangyari sa pinky niya. Kain tayo guys. Wala akong kasama ngayon. pritong rice, fruits, and poached egg. Kasarap na to eh. Kunti na lang nandito mga tao. Ano pala si Zach? What time is it, Zach? Sinusundo niya ako na... Ha? 12? 12:28. Punta daw ako sa sa beach. And meron siya mga biniling. What's that one? Oh, what's that?
DIOS
Savage Dior. Mga perfumes. What else did you get?
This one's for Harry.
For her? Ah, for your friend? Oh, that's sweet. Valentino. I like that better than the Dior.
Wait, which one do you like?
Why two Valentino?
No, this one's a different one.
What's the scent for this one? I like the pink. Why you like so strong?
Do you like the pink?
Yeah, the pink is better, like fresh.
Yeah, but I already got a fresh.
That one, the Valentino.
Do you really like this one?
I love that one better than the other one. Yeah, it's so like, it's so just fresh. The other one is too strong. Valentino,
What about this one?
may pink tsaka orange. What's the scent of pink one? Born for you?
That's that one I was telling you about.
Yeah, kasi nung nasa Australia kami, gustong-gusto yung magpabili ng mga ganito. That's alright. YSL.
This one's better.
Yeah, but I don't like the orange one.
Really?
What's the scent? Can you tell me the scent of the
It's
pink?
fruity.
The pink one. Valentino what?
This one's intense.
Intense. Then the orange one, Valentino.
Coral Fantasy.
Huh?
Coral Fantasy?
Carl Fantasy.
Coral Fantasy. I like this one way better.
No. Ayan yung mga kinuha niya, guys. Born in Roma. Intense. And this one, I like that one. Ah, pareho naman pala.
I don't.
Coral Fantasy eto. Pareho sila born in Roma. Pero yung scent niya is Coral Fantasy. And this one,
Intense.
Intense. I like the Intense.
I don't. Well, I've already got fresh, so
YSL. In this one, what's the scent?
don't know.
You don't know? I don't know. Can you
This one's
open
a
it?
good one.
Can you open?
Don't you like the Savage?
I don't like the Savage. Oh, it's like, I don't know.
Oh, you want to smell TJ's?
No. Oh, Kuya has to. This is... Wala naman nakalagay.
TJ has the intense. Mum, TJ
Myself?
has the intense.
Ano ba to? Hindi ko siya What's this one, Zach? Basta yan siya, guys.
Mum, TJ has the intense.
The Intense.
TJ got the intense.
Oh, yeah. So, it's alright because Kuya has this.
And then he got the
Oh, si Kuya merong... Eto kasi, papasalubong ni Zach. Mga ano lang to, guys, yung fake.
Zara.
Pero ang babango, ha?
He has a Zara and Most Wanted.
Zara?
A Zara.
I like what Kuya choose. It's good.
Do you like this?
Yeah. That's Sarah.
A Zara.
A Zara? Or Zara?
A Zara. Oh.
A Zara? What's
Do you
that?
like this one?
Yeah, what perfume is that?
A Zara. These ones are expensive.
Expensive one. Yung kay Sakma, mahilig siya sa sa like
We
may
got 9 p.m.
vanilla. You
That's
love-
not vanilla.
I know. I mean, you like vanilla scent.
That's not vanilla.
No, it's not the other one. No, the one you have at home.
Oh, the jump hole.
The jump
You
on.
like that one though.
No, the other one. The first one that we got from Yamba.
Stronger.
Stronger, yeah. What brand was that? What was that? The original you have?
Armani.
Armani. I like this.
I don't.
The Intense.
Well,
Well, it's alright because Kuya has already. So,
Um,
and
this
that
one's
one,
probably my favorite bottle.
that Dior. I don't like.
Here.
Oh, it's so strong.
I want this.
Oh,
I'll should have got blue edition.
Naamoy niya yan sa mga pharmacies pag pupunta.
I should have got blue edition.
The Chanel. Why you didn't? It's only cheap here. Kasi nga ano lang siya, yung fake nga siya. 10 cents sa likod. 1 hour na si Sak dito. Sabi ng daddy niya, pick upin niya ako, pero 1 hour na siya dito. Ano pa kasi ako guys, naligo, nag-vlog siya ng buhok. Alright, let's go. Ito yung ating OOTD today. Starfish na blue naman. Prasko-praskohan lang talaga sa mga dala natin. Mahangin. Is it windy? There's a? Kasi dito at the beach. Mag-ano ako?
Not really.
Not really? Why it's here? So hindi. Punta na tayo ng beachfront. What? What's that? Oh, they cremate again?
What's that?
They cremate the bone of the dead body.
Yeah, that's why it stinks.
That's yeah, may kinikremate dito guys. Oh. Cremation kasi to. Tapos yung ginagawa nila, yung bago dito na pinakita.
Barely sunburned
Sinabi ko.
anymore.
Ha?
I like the more sunburned anymore. Oh, people are like white my face.
That's good now. That's why you have to put sunscreen all the time. Yung parang
I meant to look.
why? Why? Who said? So sabi ng local, after 5 years daw na nailibing, tapos parang hindi pa na-transfer sa nabili nilang lote, kinukuha raw yung buto, tapos kine-cremate dito. Nung first time namin makapunta dito, may ceremony, mahabang ceremony talaga. Tapos, yeah, after nun, ceremony, cremation ng yeah, that's a big waves. Ayan, ito yung
Look at it.
oh, yeah, ang lakas ng alon. Ito yung bagong ginagawa, oh. Yung parang native. Ayan. Ginagawa pa. Hindi pa tapos kasi may mga workers dito nung isang araw. Ayan, yung native lang siya. Tapos dito sila yung parang ceremonial. Tapos yan. Tapos ito yung parang arc. Akala ko before, shade lang siya para hindi na mainit pag naglalakad. Yung pala, gagawin nila ng cremation ceremony. And ayan yung yung parang dyan ilalagay, tapos dyan yata nila susunugin. I'm not sure, but sabi ng local, parang ganun yung pagka-explain sa amin nung tinanong namin kung anong ginagawa dito. Iniwan ko na yung bag ko sa beachfront. Ngayon naman naglalakad kayo papuntang Makas. Oh,
I'll go, Mac.
we're good, thank you.
Mac is mine.
Okay, Makas.
Big Mac.
Dito na kami guys, and may pila. Daming kumakain din dito. Ito yung order ni Dino, yung sa amin wala pa. Kumakain siya ng chips. They can put it for us.
For this meal, you already go to the bed.
Okay. Bumili na pala si Jan ng bag nung nag-order siya. Tapos ako nag-order din ako ng bag. Doble na yung pag-order ko ng bag. Kasi si Jan pala nag-order na siya nung nagbayad. Tapos ako naman, nag-order pa akong isa. Akala ko kasi hindi alam ni Jan. Ayan yung sa atin black. Mas malaking bag. Thank you. Thank you. Ako na na. Hapon. Let's go. Kabalik na tayo dito sa beachfront. Napaka-strong ng mga waves today. So sabi ng mga bata, hindi raw sila nag-surfing today or nag-boogie board kasi nga ang strong. Lalaki ba ng ala? Sana yung girls. Bilihan din namin sila ng ano, na hi Jack, ng Big Mac.
Salamat.
Salamat. Ha?
I thought you wanted one.
It's alright, it's alright. I can have it. Thank you, Baba. No, we do.
No drinks in here.
No, that's yours.
They're there.
No, it's in here, it's in here.
Well done.
Cheeseburger, Baba.
I don't know what Big Mac. Is that a Big Mac?
Yeah, that's a Big
Give
Mac.
them three.
That's for Jack.
Oh, that's mine.
Where's their drink can?
Chips mine.
Where's the...
No, it's put in there. Mama. Where's their drink can? Give them their drink.
Where's everyone? Where's yours?
Hindi kami masaya nito kasi ang in-order namin 2 pieces chicken. Ang binigay sa amin 1 piece lang. Isa galit. Mainit ulo nito. Kain tayo guys. Yeah, hot sauce. Ito pa naman isa. Ganda? It's alright. Binigay ko na lang yung kalahati kasi naiinis siya. Finish yours? Haba. Si Kuya, ayan. May nakikita kayo dyan. Yung red flag na yan, ibig sabihin, malalim na ang tubig. Kaya dapat wag nang lumayo. So, yung boys, dito lang sila. Ayan si Sang. Tingnan nyo. Pero hindi sila gagamit yan ng boogie board or surfing board. Ganyan lang muna. Swim-swim lang dyan sa ano, malapit. Hindi sila pwede doon. Kasi tingnan nyo. Ang laki ng alon, oh.
Actually, I might try that.
Tapos na si Jan. Nagpamassage pala si Jan. Si Dino na nagpapamassage ngayon, oh. Araw-araw sila nagpapamassage dito. Kasi soon, back to work na naman sila. Saan na si Sak? Yung bola, pag yan na tangay ng alon, wala na kayong ball. Punta na kami sa Valley Garden. Doon naman kami tatambay sa pool. See you Sam tomorrow. And eto na see ya. And eto yung mga nainom ng mga bata. At saka eto yung akin. Bayaran na yan dyan. And thank you Ed. Tomorrow again, okay?
Yeah.
Pinairam niya ako. Hi, Jack. See you tomorrow.
Yes, Ronaldo. 290.
Ah, bayad na rin siya.
Yeah. Ask him.
Oh, yeah. I did you. It must have been like-
Already right. No, 290.
Yeah, you gotta be quick.
290.
Bayad na rin siya sa ice cream. Binayaran niya na yung... Kuya, what did you do this morning? Boogie board? Boogie board. Nag-boogie board pa sila morning.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jack. See you tomorrow, Jack. See ya, see
See
ya.
you tomorrow.
Thank you for my internet.
You're
Got
welcome.
everything?
Yeah. You think they already left?
Right, what are you doing, Red?
Yeah, they're coming.
Ollie,
Okay, see ya.
maybe turtle.
Huh?
Pardon?
No,
Ah.
selling. You're always in no good sellers.
She always eat.
No smile.
Oh, no smile? Papa, you have to smile.
Always angry. Doesn't want buy. John White.
Ah, see ya. Hinahanap ko yung shades ko. Suot ko pala, sabi ni Sophie. I think you're still drunk. Sabi ko, I think so. Ngawan ko, may tinitingnan sila dito sa shop. Bili yung boys na fake na Birkenstock. Kasi yung suit nila is yung original nila na Birkenstock. Inababasa. So, bili sila dito. Ayan. Si Sak meron na pala. Ayan, black. Kay Kuya Gray.
You want try the size.
Look at it.
$10. How much is it? 10,000, Kuya?
This no less than
41? Yes.
Is it comfy? That one. Is it comfy, Sak? Yeah.
What color?
Ayan. Kasi tingnan, sayang. Nababasa yung ano nila, original na Birkenstock. Eto, yung regalo pa to sa akin ni Jan. Noon sa Renmark. 2 or 3 years ago. When was that, Sa? When was that?
your birthday.
Yeah, when was that? 3 years ago? 3 years ago. Yeah, wait. It looks nice. The gray. Nakadalawa na rin pala akong icy phone. Usually, ang kinukuha ko yung Magnum, but this time, eto, kasi yung throat ko, dry. So, kailangan niya yung parang nagkikrave ako ng cold water or cold na manguya-nguya ba? Manguya-nguya. Ayan na sila. All good.
Chair.
Yeah, oh. Here, this one too.
There's some of you, though.
The one with the shade. Put that one there. Sabi ni Jan, get in, babe. Second, no. I don't have my swimwear. Yesterday, yes, but hindi rin naman nakapag-swimming. Ikit ng dalawa. Tyron! Come on, just... Put sunscreen. I know. Sunscreen, TJ. Tyron, sunscreen, please. No. Back and neck. No. Put some, TJ. Sunscreen, kuya.
Let's come back.
Your face, face.
Don't leave it.
Your ears suck. Punta sana ako ng kwarto para mag-change ng swimsuit. Wala tayong key. Ayan, bumalik. The key! I forgot the key. Ito yung ating gagamitin. Yung yellow hindi ko pa nagamit, pero ito na lang na brown ngayon. 2-piece to.
drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this.
Naka-shower na pala kami lahat. And sinot ko ulit yung aking suot kanina na starfish na blue. Kasi ilang oras ko pa lang naman ito na gamit. O nasuot. And magdi-dinner kami sa across lang dito, malapit lang dito sa accommodation namin. So kasama ulit namin sila Kylie at saka sila Dino. Then later tonight, darating yung dalawang anak na babae ni Dino. Hindi sila nakasama sa parents nila kasi nag-work pa yung dalawang girls. So mamaya darating sila kasama yung tita, tito at mga pinsan nila. Kasi yung kapatid ni Dino din, at saka yung family nun, ay papunta rin dito. Mamaya, sila lahat darating. Alas 10 ata ng gabi. Ang dating nila. So bukas, mas marami kami. Okay na yun. Naglagay ako ng spray net. Etong Glam Works Stronghold Hairspray. Nabili ko to sa Pinas pa. Maganda siya. Okay. Then, gamit tayo nitong perfume na si Gucci Envy Me. So, ito yung dala ko. And, mist. Kahi mist. And, gamit kong lipstick is eto. Si BLK. Ayan, BLK. Yun nga, hindi ko ito mabasag. Ita. Ayan. Cream. Ayan, gamit ko. Si Jan tsaka si Sak lumabas ng saglit. And, yeah, alis na tayo. Okay, come on.
Where are we going?
Front.
What?
At the front. Because we're going across the hotel. That's where we're going. They're upstairs.
Oh, I'm not ready.
Oh, come on, get ready because Daddy will be here soon.
Wait, should I leave this charger on?
Yeah,
No, I
just.
don't need a charge.
No, take
No,
it
she is
out.
here. Charge here, Kuya.
I'm 20%.
No,
Take it
no.
out.
No.
I do, Mommy.
Yeah, I can smell you, son.
You can smell that.
Let me again.
I got mine. I don't know much.
Yeah, I can smell you.
No, you won't.
No. All right, let's go.
Do you? Do you smell me?
Stop.
Dad, do you smell me when I walk in?
Para tayo sa dinner.
When I walk in?
Gamit nila yung perfume nila. Si Ori wala. So yung dalawang boys lang. So lakad lang tayo ng konti. Ayan yung ating pinag-stayhan. Bali Garden Beach Resort. Before, nakapag-dinner na kami dito. And nandito yung water bomb. Yan. Gusto pumunta dyan ng mga boys, pero hindi ko alam kung kailan. Pag dumating na siguro yung mga iba pang kasama. Friends. And eto na yung mall. Oo. Yung Discovery Mall. Good. How many of us? 11. We're going upstairs. Doon yung tatlong boys. Tapos kami dito. Thank you, thank you. Again, kami baba. I'm taking this. No, can't take that off. Tinatanggal ko. Akala ko.
Won't hurt me, I don't think. Just to get to.
Alright, it's alright. Thank you. Ay, yeah.
Cheers, brother.
Mag-steak ako kasi hindi pa ako nakapag-steak. Simula nung dumating kami dito sa bar. Si Holy Shepherd's Pie. Nag-order akong tropical, tropical. Gusto ko yung white ice.
And a raspberry.
May pabib kami, apron.
You look like a real pedophile.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah?
That's all. Well, mine was already hooked up.
Yeah. No, yours is chicken tenders, ha?
I reckon she just put down chicken tenders.
Yung mga boys naglalaro muna dun. Nagbibilyar sila dun. Tsaka yung girls. Another one?
You want some?
Who has got wedges? Harley?
Meron tayong wedges here.
We'll mix it up then. Have a go with these two. Sorry. Son.
Oh, thank you. Aioli. How's that? Dito yung dinner ni sa chicken tender. I thought you have two. Ito yung dinner ni sa. Okay. Dalawang order yan. Chicken fingers. And ito kay Kuya burger. Kay Brock spaghetti. Ayan yung steak ni Sophie.
Look, that's what you could have got.
Yeah, waffle. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Carbonara.
Ayan yung atin.
You get separate spices.
What? Here, shepherd's pie here.
Did you get mushroom? What's that?
I did mushroom.
Gravy, I reckon.
I got just give.
Yeah. I'll get you to take this one too, mate. Thank you. Put her over there, bud.
Where are we gonna put this
Put
one?
that there.
Boy, careful, what's that? All right. Shepherd's pie.
Number one.
What are you doing? Bring me some drinks. Because you're so sweet. Thank you. Oh. No wonder it felt like it was burning.
It's olive.
It does flick on it, doesn't it? It flicks on you.
How many grams is this, huh?
Why would they give me peas when I don't eat it? Oh, they do.
And yours, Dinner. Dinner is look good. How many grams is yours, Dinner? Same as yours. Why is more red?
Hot even off is fucking white. The thing's cooled down, everything's just hot, everything's how come Sophie's got a whiskey salad?
Huh?
What you got to choose?
Oh, right.
Is there any sauce in it?
Sauce.
Ketchup.
Yeah.
That
here.
one. Thank you. Please don't put too much. Please.
I'll do it, Baba.
I got it. Do you like it? Huh? Good. I haven't had a full bite. Just that hot. Get it. I'm scared I'm gonna have too much. Oh, what's this? Why is the whipped cream so warm? Sorry, I love judging.
You love what?
Judging.
I can tell. Is it good?
See you later.
Eh, dito kami sa harap ng Discovery Mall na, guys. And yung hotel nandyan lang. Dito tayo sa mall.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Chine-check niya lagi ang bag natin. For safety. So, punta tayo dito kasi yung mga bata gusto mag-arcade. Kagabi nandito na sila. Hindi nga ako sumama kasi nga, di ba? Lasing tayo. What do you want? I have that one at home. So? Oh no, you are the sweetest husband in here.
Views might go down.
I don't think so. What happened, Sak? My God, you're bleeding. Oh my God. Yeah, I don't like that. What did you do? Shit.
Have you got a band-aid first?
No, no nails.
Good one.
Go to the chemist.
That was your shoe.
Just put your shoe on, don't
Put your
leave
shoe
it
on.
on.